High-performance cultures aren't built on perks or guesswork. They're built on clarity, fairness, and growth. That's why Deel HR unifies performance, development, and people ops in one system, empowering you to build high-performing teams. It all starts with clear goals. Company goals cascade to team and individuals, so everyone knows what success looks like. Then come structured reviews. Individual performance is evaluated against documented goals, role expectations, and competencies, not options or last-minute recollections. Because goals and reviews are connected, real insights emerge, not just scores, but patterns. Surveys add the missing context. What looks like a performance issue might turn out to be an organizational signal. You could see which teams are consistently delivering, where engagement is slipping, and why. Insights only matter if it leads to actions. With Engage, feedback doesn't stop at a dashboard. It drives development. Managers get a clear next step. High performers get growth paths. Skill gaps turn into targeted learning tied to real business needs. And because Deel HR unifies talent management with compensation planning, performance connects directly to compensation decisions without spreadsheets or extra tools. HR saves time and gets visibility. Managers get clarity and support. Employees know what's expected and how to grow. Same system, shared confidence. People develop faster. Performance improves. Build a high-performance culture with Deel HR.